How to change password on Bluesky. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the password of your Bluesky account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 bars and from the side menu, here tap on the settings at the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down until you find this account section. Under account section, you will be able to locate change password option. Go ahead and tap on this option, and now here you will need to first of all request a code in order to change your password. Tap on this request code button, and now a code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the email, and once you get the email, there you will be able to see the code. Open your email, and once you find the code, here tap and hold the code and tap on this copy option. Now return back to the previous page. Here in this reset code box, tap on it and paste the code. Now you will be able to enter a new password for your account. Tap on the password box and now create a strong password for your account. Once after creating the password, tap on this next button right here, and soon after doing that, you will see you have successfully changed your password. Now you will need to use your new password in order to log into your account. Tap on this close button and return back. So this is how you can change password on Bluesky account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.